So the true leader is not when you know all the answers. It's important when you're bold enough to have all the questions, to know the questions, and to ask as many questions correct on your own. So in next 5 to 10 years, I would say Bharat will not be participating. It will be the driving force that will shape the future in the world of digitalization. You want to grow genuinely. Just don't grow for pretending or for recognition.
Hi, I'm Anubhav from Bharat 2.0 Conclave, an initiative by Business Viewpoint and Enterprise World Magazine. Today on the red carpet, I have here with me Vinita Rohera. So, a very warm welcome.
Thank you.
My first question for you is, how was your experience at Bharat 2.0 and what makes this conclave so different from the rest of the events that you've done?
It's a very good question. So I attend many conclaves and these kind of network meets. But however, what I found today, it's a very raw conversation, first of all. And secondly, this is not a second PR strategy where people are speaking about only their businesses or only particular achievements.
Right.
So they're talking in general. That means Bharat 2.0 is genuinely concerned about our Bharat. So basically, they want to share the philosophies, they want to share the core values, and they want to impart the education in the audiences about the right business statistics. So basically, that's where I was feeling very intrigued because it was something where you can coordinate, you can actually network, you can ask questions, you can interact in such a way that which helps you out in the daily go routine, the future, the vision of the business, whatever you're running. So that makes Bharat 2.0 genuinely different. I'm enjoying it.
That was a great answer. What is the toughest lesson that you've learned throughout your career, throughout your journey?
Throughout my business journey. Toughest lesson is something yes, that's a very good question. Honestly, I used to think that to be a leader or to be a business entrepreneur, it's very much important to know all the answers, to know everything. You are supposed to be the smartest, but that's not the case.
Right.
So the true leader is not when you know all the answers. It's important when you're bold enough to have all the questions, to know the questions, and to ask as many questions correct on your own and have a journey where you are actually building your business towards getting those answers in coming future. So that's
excellent. And how do you think these lessons have transformed or changed your leadership right now?
Oh, it has given me, and today I'm one of the award recipients at Bharat 2.0 because, honestly speaking, when your thought processes change, you discover the potential in all of your team. And hence you grow as a team, as a potential teamwork. So that has made a huge change in my life.
Excellent. What is that one opportunity in Bharat that people are still underestimating right now?
Quality higher education.
That is a great answer. And what are your predictions for Bharat in, let's say, next 5 to 10 years?
So in next 5 to 10 years, I would say Bharat will not be participating. It will be the driving force that will shape the future. So basically, you'll have a new Bharat after this. That's what I actually estimate.
Amazing. But do you think we are ready for that step?
We are already through. We were ready long before, and the changes what we are bringing through has been enormous. It's been really long that now the generation has been working towards that the Bharat will be leading.
Amazing. Excellent. Moving on to the next round, I have some rapid fire questions for you.
Okay.
One overrated and underrated leadership quality.
Confidence. The moment you put over, that becomes overconfidence.
That's amazing. Wow. Which is the one go-to movie or web series that you love to when you're in your free time?
Suits.
Amazing. One leader you'd love to have a coffee with?
You can Google. He's my father.
Amazing. One reason leaders should attend Bharat 2.0 Conclave.
As I said, raw communication, a true and a genuine interaction with the business leaders, and to know exactly what goes on at the ground level of doing any business and becoming a leader.
Excellent. Lastly, one piece of advice for young leaders and entrepreneurs who are trying to still create an impact in their industries.
Yeah, that's a good question. I would like to tell everybody in the world of digitalization, you want to grow genuinely. Just don't grow for pretending or for recognition, because that's a very strong message. If you elaborate it today, everything what we do, right from eating to leading a business, we are doing for recognition. It could be any recognition person, but the right thing to do, and if you genuinely want to be a leader, then you do it for a genuine growth. That's something which I would like to tell everybody. Thank you so much.
Excellent, excellent. Thank you so much for your time. It was great to talk to you.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Indeed.